query coming in next. Rakhi Singhal says that she's looking for a property in Bengaluru and she wants to know what kind of approvals are required for a legal property. She also asks, how can you find out whether the property has all the approvals in place? You know, Hemang, I would want you to answer that second question first because that's something that viewers keep asking us, and it's all very nice for us to sit here and say, do your due diligence. But how, as a lay person, how do I do my due diligence?
I think it is a matter of time. We should be thanking this present central government who have come out with an act which is in short called RERA. Okay.
But that is 1 year away. I mean, by the time RERA comes into, and I can't really, what if I'm buying a flat today or tomorrow?
Do not buy. If you ask me personally, please do not go and rush into buying properties. Okay. The central government has come out with an act which is already gazetted in March of 2016. The states are very active in formulating their own rules. The central government under RERA has also put up the rules to the state, and it is a matter of time this RERA is going to come into force in each and every state. Lot of flat purchasers have burned their fingers, their hard-earned money. There have been cases of project delays, illegal constructions, which will be of a past the minute this thing comes into practice, into formation, into each and every state. Now, as regards this query which normally comes in, that which are the documents I should be seeing, please understand, under RERA, a builder will not be able to sell a single flat or a commercial premises unless and until all the licenses, permits, permissions from the various competent authorities are already obtained by the builder, submitted to the competent authority under the RERA, and once that authority has evaluated that all the permissions are in place, which includes title documents, IOD, CC, approved and sanctioned plan, TDR purchase, draft agreements with individual flat purchaser, draft agreement with conveyance. Okay. All these things are going to be uploaded on a website. They would be given a registration number, right? And once it is been there on the website, you will be able to see everything transparently as to what are the sanctions given, what is the stage of construction, what is the permissions given by the competent authority, and at what slab the construction is at, and how much money has been taken from you, and whether it matches the construction levels. So if you are not in a rush, I would personally tell the flat purchasers, do not rush into buying, because there is an act which is in place. It is a matter of time, and your safety and safety of your hard-earned money is very important. So wait for some time, failing which, as I said, check the title document, check IOD, check the commencement certificate, check whether the TDR is in place or not. And once all that is there, also check whether the developer has the financial capacity to complete the project in time, or whether just take a search and find out whether there are litigations against that developer or not. So once you have done your due diligence, then you may go and buy. Otherwise, just wait for the state to implement RERA.
Wait for the state to implement RERA, and also, for the information of all our viewers who are tuning in, the government has also released a draft model agreement which it wants all states to adopt, and eventually all developers also to follow once it comes into force. Now, this is something that has been released just on August 1st, in fact, and we will be discussing this in detail in all our shows today. So do tune in if you want to know how you can safeguard your rights and where you can go and actually read that model agreement. Also, one more thing, Rakhi, if you are looking for property in Bengaluru, and in case this property is anywhere near a lake, also do not forget to check for green approvals, because there's a very strong stand that the NGT has taken on buildings that are coming in and around lakes in Bengaluru. The building has to be at a minimum of 100 meters distance from the lake, if I'm not mistaken, but that is something that you'll also need to check out.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricks now.